Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some innovative startups trivia. Which company created the first iPhone app? A. Samsung or B. Apple or C. Google or D. Microsoft? The correct answer is B. Apple. What startup focuses on electric delivery vans? A. Canoe or B. Tesla or C. Rivian Arrival? The correct answer is D. Arrival. Which startup revolutionized the music streaming? A. Apple Music or B. Spotify or C. SoundCloud or D. Pandora Radio? The correct answer is B. Spotify. What startup specializes in meal kit deliveries? A. Grubhub or B. HelloFresh or C. DoorDash or D. Blue Apron? The correct answer is D. Blue Apron. What company developed a smart thermostat called Nest? A. Siemens or B. Honeywell or C. Nest Labs or D. Ecobee? The correct answer is C. Nest Labs. What innovative startup focuses on autonomous vehicles? A. Tesla Logistics or B. Waymo or C. Cruise Control or D. AutoNation? The correct answer is B. Waymo. Which platform popularized crowdsourced funding? A. Kickstarter or B. Patreon or C. GoFundMe or D. Indiegogo? The correct answer is A. Kickstarter. What fintech startup introduced a budgeting app called Mint? A. Intuit or B. YNAB or C. Acorns or Capital? The correct answer is A. Intuit. Which company offers a platform for online surveys? A. Typeform or B. Google Forms or C. SurveyMonkey or D. Poll Everywhere? The correct answer is C. SurveyMonkey. What startup developed the online coding bootcamps? A. Udacity or B. Codecademy or C. Coursera or D. Skillshare? The correct answer is B. Codecademy. Which app allows users to book temporary accommodations? A. Hotels.com or B. Uber or C. Expedia or D. Airbnb? The correct answer is D. Airbnb. What startup is a significant player in electric vehicles? A. Lucid Motors or B. Tesla or C. Rivian or D. O? The correct answer is B. Tesla. Which company specializes in at-home beauty products? A. Glossier or B. Sephora or C. L'Oreal or D. Neutrogena? The correct answer is A. Glossier. What startup is known for its 3D printing technology? A. Formlabs or B. MakerBot or C. Ultimaker or D. Stratasys? The correct answer is A. Formlabs. Which company provides a platform for graphic design? A. Adobe or B. Corel or C. Microsoft or D. Canva? The correct answer is D. Canva. What is the name of the video conferencing platform created by Zoom? A. Video Meet or B. Zoom Video or C. Chat Connect or D. Skycall? The correct answer is B. Zoom Video. Which app encourages users to read books? A. Goodreads or B. Blinkist, C. Kindle or D. Audible? The correct answer is B. Blinkist. What startup focuses on sustainable fashion practices? A. Everlane or B. Zara or C. Urban Outfitters or D. H&M? The correct answer is A. Everlane. Which innovative company offers plant-based meat alternatives? A. Impossible Foods, or B. Tofurkey Co., or C. Beyond Meat, or D. Boca Burgers? The correct answer is C. Beyond Meat. What startup is known for its subscription box service? A. FabFitFun, or B. Blue Apron, or C. Loot Crate, or D. BarkBox? The correct answer is A. FabFitFun. What startup focuses on online dog training? A. Waggle, or B. Pupford, or C. PetSmart, or D. BarkBox? The correct answer is B. Pupford. Which service specializes in cloud storage solutions? A. Adobe Photoshop, or B. Microsoft Word, or C. Google Maps, Dropbox? The correct answer is D. Dropbox. What company is associated with custom mobile apps? A. App Builder, or B. AppGyver, or C. AppMaker, or D. AppForge? The correct answer is B. AppGyver. Which platform focuses on shared workspaces? A. Regus, or B. Google Drive, or C. Slack, or WeWork? The correct answer is D. WeWork. What startup focuses on removing food waste? Waste Not Want Not, or B. Food Rescue Project, or C. Too Good to Go, or D. Eco Eats Initiative? The correct answer is C. Too Good to Go. Which company is recognized for online grocery delivery? A. Peapod, or B. Walmart, or C. Amazon Prime, or D. Instacart? The correct answer is D. Instacart. What innovative startup is known for tracking fitness? A. Runkeeper, or B. Fitbit, or C. Nike Plus, Jawbone? The correct answer is B. Fitbit. What startup provides an online learning platform? A. Coursera, or Khan Academy, or C. EDX, or D. Skillshare? The correct answer is A. Coursera. Which company offers an app for on-demand shipping? A. Grubhub, or B. Postmates, or C. Uber Eats, or D. DoorDash? The correct answer is B. Postmates. What startup specializes in crowdsourced delivery services? A. Postmates, or B. DoorDash, or C. Uber Eats, or D. TaskRabbit? The correct answer is D. TaskRabbit. Which company utilizes blockchain for secure transactions? A. PayPal, or Visa, or C. MasterCard, or D. Coinbase? The correct answer is D. Coinbase. Who is the founder of the e-learning platform Khan Academy? A. Albert Einstein, or B. Bill Gates, or C. Sal Khan, or D. Mark Zuckerberg? The correct answer is C. Sal Khan. What startup is popular for its pet food subscription service? A. Chewy, or B. PetSmart, or C. BarkBox, or D. PetPlate? The correct answer is D. PetPlate. Which company developed a voice assistant named Alexa? A. Apple, or B. Google, or C. Microsoft, or D. Amazon? The correct answer is D. Amazon. What innovative startup focuses on mental health? A. Calm Space, or B. MindStrong, or C. Headspace, or D. BetterHelp? The correct answer is D. BetterHelp. Which company is known for eco-friendly products? A. Dove, or B. Seventh Generation, or C. Tide, or D. Lysol? The correct answer is B. Seventh Generation. Who co-founded the famous online encyclopedia? A. Jimmy Wales, or B. Steve Jobs, or C. Larry Page, or D. Tim Berners-Lee? The correct answer is A. Jimmy Wales. Which company specializes in solar panel installations? A. Sunrun, or B. SunPower Corp, or C. Enphase Energy, or D. Tesla Energy? The correct answer is A. Sunrun. What service allows freelancers to offer their skills? A. TaskRabbit, or B. Upwork, or C. Freelancer.com, or D. Fiverr? The correct answer is B. Upwork. What startup focuses on vegan food delivery? A. Plant Plate, or B. Vegan Express, C. Green Eats, or D. Fresh and Lean? The correct answer is D. Fresh and Lean. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.